it's Mr. Kane here, and today we're talking about things that matter. The stuff that everything is made of. You, me, the world around us, the air we breathe. If we can pick it up, weigh it, get hold of it somehow, it's matter, the stuff of the world. And it comes in three forms, three states, three phases: solid, liquid, and gas. And we're going to be looking at a little bit about what's the difference between what happens between those states. And there's some details here on this slide, but we'll look at that in more detail in another video soon. So, melting point. Okay, so this is where they leave their solid joined together right next to each other, sort of a regular formation, and they cut loose. So here's some lava. Okay, we can see the red hot lava flowing out, and the lava is melted. It's left its solid, rigid, regular structure, but the particles are still next to each other. The molecules are still next to each other, but they can slide and flow past each other. If we put more energy in, we will get to the boiling point. And here the molecules or the particles that make up the matter completely escape each other and take off into the wild unknown. They become a gas. So they've gone from a regular, rigid structure to being right hard next to each other, but can flow around each other and slide past each other, to here they're really cut loose and they're flying off into the unknown. Solid, liquid, and gas, they change from one to the next. So a solid will melt and become a liquid. The liquid will evaporate and become a gas. It will condense and become a liquid, freeze and become a solid. But there's a special case where a solid will go directly to being a gas. Kind of unusual. It'll go one way or the other. There's no liquid in between. And that's called sublimation. And the fancy word for the other direction is simply reverse sublimation. So that's the states of matter and the way they go from one to the next. Solid, liquid, gas, and melting, freezing or solidifying, evaporating, condensing, sublimation, and reverse sublimation. There we have states of matter, the phases that we find stuff in. Thank you for watching, and we will talk more in the next one.